Want to use two apps at once time, like same time on your Android phone? It's easy step by step to create a split screen on your Android phone. Let's start it, guys. You can see at one time we can use the two apps at one time. Okay, let's start it. How you can do this? Firstly, like this video and subscribe to the channel. Which mobile are you using right now? Tell me in the comment box. So just you have to just open your recent apps. Like here, we will open my recent apps. After recent app open, now you can just one app which you want to split screen, right? You have to just click on the here app icon, long press and hold, and now you can see you have to just drop it. Okay, and now you can see the second app which you want to split. To open that app, just we can open your calculator app. Now we can see it's once time. This is at same time we can use the two apps at same time. Okay, I hope this video is helpful to you. Make sure like and subscribe to the channel. Genuine guide. You want to stop these, then you can do this here. Click on the recent button and close all. You can see your normal mode. I hope this video is helpful to you. Thanks for watching the video.